Right now we got some Maxxis Bighorn. We swapped it out for these road guiders on a 800 Ranger RZRS. We'll do a top speed run in a little bit. We're getting off some old Maxxis here for Maxxis 16, and we're gonna be flipping it. Right here, bells. This is the bead. This stuff seats, and that's what bangs. And that'll, if you have your finger here, anything, it'll break it in a heartbeat. And you'll have nothing left. We'll chop it right off. It won't know no difference. What will happen? You call me Nubby. Because I'll have a nub. That's what'll happen. And I'll be sort of very crying like a baby because I'm missing a chunk. There we go. Sick, man.
You added tape inside of your sock.
I what?
You added tape instead of your sock.
Oh, because the those expanded it out a bit. I needed to fit it for the smaller rim, so it fits. So back up a little. Hey, Belle, you want to drive with me over there? We'll drop this off in a minute. I'm going to do a top speed run. Let you run it for a second, and then you drive it over to Maxxis 16s, and we'll take the bike, and I'll take you home.
What?
What do you mean, what?
I want to drive.
You can. I'll drive around here. We're going to do a top speed run. Perfect. Simple Simon.
I thought I were going to have it for a couple of days.
He told me to, but we'll give it back. It's a weekend. I'm working. We're going to go to a movie. He can have fun with his food. Let's go. I'm going to put this sucker on. Ba-ma-ma-ma-ma-ma. Woohoo! Blammo.
Score.
Score! Ah. Start them first by hand so you never cross thread them.
Why Why did you even start?
So it grabs it equally. Because if it don't, then you'll have a bad day. Get that out of there, baby. Hey, jump in it, hon. Hit the brakes, babe. Sit up at the end of the seat, hit the brakes.
The brakes are
Yeah, hold it all the way in. Got it? PFT, that's the torque specs. Keep on it, baby. Sick. You want to back it out, babe? No. No? All right. What? Yes. All right, guys. I'm going to shut you off and turn you back on. I want to get the GPS to kick in. So I'll stitch it, or maybe I won't.
I want to ride with you.
What?
I want you to drive with me.